What is the shape of nature? Tell me, what is the shape of nature? Tell me, could it be round? Tell me, what is the shape of nature? Can you see it? Can you feel it? Tell me. Tell me, the moon is around, the earth keeps turning, the seasons come and go, morning greets the day, evening welcomes the stars, the waves come and go, the wind leaves, then returns. Is nature drawing circles, or is it teaching us something more? Tell me, what is the shape of nature? Tell me, could it be round? Tell me, what is the shape of nature? Can you see it? Can you feel it? Tell me. Look at your heartbeat, love-dove, love-dove. Never tired, never hurried. Look at your breathing in, out, vibrant, out. Look at your footsteps, every journey begins with fun stick, and somehow finds its way back home. We begin needing hands, we grow holding hands. One day we may again need helping hands. Is that the circle? Tell me, the child becomes the parent, the teacher. Was once a student, the seed becomes a tree. The tree drops its seeds, the river finds the sea, the clouds return as rain. Nothing stands still, everything belongs to a rhythm. Tell me, what is the shape of return, the flowers bloom, the flowers rest. Night becomes morning, silence becomes song. Every ending carries a beginning. Maybe nature has no shape. A dance of wind are dancing with it every day. Tell me, what is the shape of nature? Tell me, could it be round? Tell me, shape of nature. Can you see it? Can you feel it? Tell me, the moon keeps turning, the tides keep calling, time keeps moving, love keeps growing, hope keeps returning. The rose, the greatest shape in nature, is not a circle, but the way life always finds a way to begin again. Tell me, what is the shape